Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dye your hair effortlessly only by using this hair color changing feature on CapCut. So just add a photo or videos into CapCut like this and then go straight to effects, body effects, swipe through the category until you find this roll category, and then here you'll find the hair color changing effect. Click on that. So this is the current color, but you can always adjust the color to your liking. You can also adjust the texture and also intensity. Here you can change it into the color that you like. You can also see yourself how what would you look like if you use, for example, this purple color on you. Okay, if you're satisfied with the result, just click on the check icon. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.